This book is completely free. You can go download it and read it, but I'm actually gonna do a video series based around this book, The 13 Ways to Catch Fake News. I'm actually going to walk through this entire book and all the different media points that we cover here, such as bias in the media, the 3 major bias categories you should be aware of, how to spot media bias and things to look for, such as spinning the truth, unsubstantiated claims, opinion statements presented as facts, sensationalism and emotionalism, mudslinging, mind reading, slant, quad logic, bias submission, emission of source attribution, bias in placement. All of these things, they might sound a little far-fetched and they might sound a little complex, but really they're not. And I'm going to show you how the media uses keywords and different techniques to actually persuade the media that you consume on a daily basis. That way you are well equipped to identify whether somebody's trying to pull your chain or not. And that is the whole point of me creating this short little read here. So this is actually going to be the first video in the series that I'm going to create. We're going to go through all these different topics here. We're going to break them down and go through them in some cool little short videos, so that way you can have some tools and have some knowledge, some value that can actually help you with all the different information that you come across, whether it's YouTube videos, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, you know, your newspaper, stuff you see on TV. You'll be able to use this resource here and actually look at it and be like, you know what, these words are showing up. I think this is what's going on. Or here, these words are showing up. This is a spun story. All right, they're using sensationalism here because they're using these types of keywords and they're leaning toward this direction. All right, you can see and learn how people are trying to persuade you and manipulate you with this content here. And also, like I said, if you want to take it even further, then go get my book Fact Check by going to factcheckbook.us or going to Amazon, Books A Million, Barnes & Noble, or many of the other bookstores that are out there if it is 2021 or past spring of 2021. So other than that, go ahead and give this video a like. I really appreciate that because I think you guys are going to get a lot of value out of this. And if you could, and you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I plan on bringing you guys a ton of value and I don't want you to miss it. So we'll see you in the next lesson.